Hey my YouTube friends, hope you're having a great day, and today I want to talk about rejecting a phone call with your iPhone or your Android phone using your Airpods Pro. Now, I did a video on the Airpods and talking about how to answer and hanging up a call with your Airpods. I don't obviously have those anymore since I've got the Pros, but did figure out how to reject a call using the AirPods Pro, and that's what I wanted to share with you on this video today. Very simple to do. So I'm going to go ahead, ring my work phone, which is my iPhone. Very generous. I have a 6S, although I am actually upgrading to the 7 since my battery is no longer hanging in there, unfortunately. So I'm going to go ahead and ring my phone. Calling it now. So you can see I'm calling my work phone. You could see that there. And I am just going to double press. And that's it. You've reached the voicemail station. And then all you do is just double press, and that rejects the call, and that sends the person to voicemail. Same thing with an Android phone. As you can see here, let me go ahead and clear. You could see the icon is got the AirPods. Let's see, up there, you can see the icon right there. So let me go ahead and turn on the Bluetooth for the AirPods. It's now connected, as you can see. They are connected to my Google Pixel 4. And now I'm going to call from my iPhone to my Android. And here, so you can hear it's ringing, and I am going to just reject it. There you go. It went right to voicemail, and that's as simple as that. You just double press right here at the bottom. Just like you would use that section for answering and hanging up a call. You just double press that and your call is rejected. So very simple. So hope this video is of help to you. Perhaps you may already have known this, but you may not have as well. So wanted to just share that with you. Let me know if you have any other questions. I'll try and answer those. I'll also show you, as you can see here, the other videos that I have discussed about the AirPods Pro, which seem to be very happy with them thus far. Alright everybody, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.